Welcome to today's video where we dive into the world of forensic toxicology and hair analysis. Yes, right now we are talking about hair analysis in the field of forensic toxicology. This is studied. So what is the requirement of hair analysis? Requirement is to find out any trace of drug exposure to the body. Yes, if we are talking about, say we are talking about dead body and investigation is going on. Okay, means criminal investigation is going on, and for that purpose it is required to know the if there is any past drug exposure to that human body or not. Okay, you know that urine or blood can also be used to find out the trace of drugs, but it cannot bear the history of drug exposure. Say the drug was taken 1 month back. So in that case, by examining the blood or the urine of that dead body, it is not possible to find out the trace of drug exposure. In case of recent, say that man or woman has taken a drug recently, in that case, yes, you may find out the trace of drug in their urine or blood. But in case of, say, 1 month back or even 1 year back or few years back, in that case, if you want to know the drug exposure, then hair analysis is the best way. How this happens? This is no doubt very interesting, fascinating topic in the field of forensic toxicology. So how this happens, how this is possible? This is possible because we know that hair grows from the follicle, and the rate of hair growth is about 1 centimeter per month. So when hair grows out, in that case, hair incorporates the small amounts of drugs from the bloodstream. Yes, if you take drugs, then it goes to your bloodstream. Then during the growth of hair, hair incorporates that small amount of drugs from your bloodstream. And as it grows, it retains that information or that drug, and later you can examine that hair to find out the trace of drugs. Okay, drugs means here I am talking about it may be toxins, it may be poisons, okay, or it may be any medicine. And one more thing I want to add here, that toxins and poisons are almost the same thing, but they are not exactly the same. All toxins are poisons, but not all poisons are toxins. Anyway, regarding this, I'll make a separate video. Why I am saying like this? But I think this is already known to you, that all toxins are poisons, but not all poisons are toxins. Anyway, I am right now talking about hair analysis. So there is a trace of drug embedded within your hair. Anyway, how this is done, how this test is done? Normally, two methods are there. Either of the two methods can be used. One is called GCMS, that is gas chromatography mass spectrometry, or one more method is there that is called high performance liquid chromatography, or HPLC in short. Either of these two methods can be used to find out if there is any drug embedded within the hair. Okay, and what is the requirement? The requirement is the investigation. Criminal, I have already mentioned the example of criminal investigation. Maybe for other purposes also the same thing may be required, such as a workplace incident or any accidental, means if there is any accident, okay, or if you want to know for any other purpose, I don't need to mention all the purposes here in this video. Maybe whatever be the requirement, but the main requirement or main purpose is to find out the trace of a drug if it was taken long term back. But one more thing is there. The thing is that here we know that hair is here, means scalp hair. Normally hair is collected from the backside of your scalp. Yes, backside, because there is a chance of consistent hair to collect from your backside of the scalp, and in case of environmental contaminants, there is a less chance of being contaminated by the environment. So from the backside of your scalp hair is collected. But in case if scalp hair is not available, in that case pubic hair may also be used. But the problem with the pubic hair is that it cannot actually, what happens in case of pubic hair does not grow same as the scalp hair. Growth rate of pubic hair and scalp hair are different. So consistent result may not be obtained if the pubic hair is examined in case of hair analysis. But it is collected only when scalp hair is not available. But if scalp hair is available, then in that case only scalp hair is used. Okay. And anyway, so I have already mentioned each and everything about this hair analysis, and this is normally used in the field of forensic toxicology. Purpose may be different, whatever be the purpose. If we want to know the drug exposure, past drug exposure, okay, so in that case, here is the best solution. So, what is the conclusion? Conclusion that even a single strand of hair can be beneficial. Not exactly beneficial. Even a single strand of hair may contribute to solving complex cases. This way I should say, I think, or this way I should conclude. Even a single strand of hair may contribute to solving complex cases. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, forensic toxicology and hair analysis. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.